Here's some Dymaxion House trivia. Subscribe. What material was primarily used in the Dymaxion House? Is it A, concrete, B, wood, C, brick, or D, aluminum? The correct answer is D, aluminum. What was the intended purpose of the Dymaxion House? Is it A, mobile office, B, luxury mansion, C, affordable housing, or D, disaster shelter? The correct answer is C, affordable housing. How many people could the Dymaxion House comfortably accommodate? Is it A, 2 to 3 individuals, B, 8 to 10 individuals, C, 4 to 6 individuals, or D, 12 to 15 individuals? The correct answer is C, 4 to 6 individuals. Which company manufactured the Dymaxion House? Is it A, Ford Motor Company, B, General Motors, C, General Steel Industries, or D, Boeing? The correct answer is C, General Steel Industries. What aspect of sustainability was emphasized in the Dymaxion House? Is it A, urban aesthetics, B, water conservation, C, energy efficiency, or D, structural stability? The correct answer is C, energy efficiency. Which phrase associated with Buckminster Fuller describes his building concept? Is it A, Spaceship Earth, B, Dome of Hope, C, Earthship Initiative, or D, Habitat for Humanity? The correct answer is A, Spaceship Earth. How many separate units were in the Dymaxion House? Is it A, 5, B, 2, C, 3, or D, 1? The correct answer is D, 1. What was one original energy source for the Dymaxion House? Is it A, solar panels, B, wind energy, C, coal power, or D, natural gas? The correct answer is B, wind energy. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.